Hey, how you doing? This is JJ from Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. I'm going to give you a quick point of view of, this is my first use, and it's a pretty new product from Dallas Paint Correction called TMR. This is the Titanium Marine and RV. I have this nice Ford Transit 250. I'll back up a little bit here. I have just about coming down to the end, I have coated this entire vehicle from top to bottom, all the plastics, everything. And I just want to give you, I've loaded up my suede applicator, and I just want to give you a little feel for how, let me get you back in camera here. So I'm just going to do just this little section, doing a pretty poor job of following my movement here, but it'll be the after. I'm just going to do, I ended at the top of the window, and I just want you, this silver is really kind of tricky. Let's set this down, sorry about that. Okay, so hopefully trying to capture just the right. I got it at the 25-second mark on my end. It's kind of tough to catch. Here's some good, trying to bring this light in just right. It's this silver doesn't make it easy. I hope you can capture some of that. I've got 5K lights that I use for paint correction and coating, and there's pretty good right there. You can see rainbow effect. So I'm getting about a minute. You see that? I can see it in the camera, and I hope it shows up for you. So I do the 2 towel method, just a kind of gentle wipe, light. Don't get it on the glass that's already been treated. I did all the glass. I did just every bit of this. I did catch a little bit of that window, but I do like the 2 towel method. I have found that a fluffier, I think this is a Creature Edgeless. I just ordered a bunch from a rag company. So, see that nice gloss? It's a little grabby at the beginning. That's kind of normal, and you will notice as you go from one panel to another, just make sure I get that glass on the edge there. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So you will notice that it is going to be, it's going to be just a touch grabby. Let me move my lights down a little bit where I ended right here. It will fight you just a little bit. It will hang on. But as you go to an adjoining, like where I ended right here, when you go over this, you'll feel the slickness. It's so easy to tell the difference, like where you were and where you weren't. I'm getting about a minute or so with my present conditions. Yours will vary. I am surrounded by some pretty nice wheels. If you have followed my channel, you know that I am the exclusive detailer for this collection of cars. This is called the Collection on Palmetto Foundation, and this is a private collection of my clients, and then he built this building to do parties and things like that. So if you're interested in anything, and you're in the Clearwater area, Florida, you know that you can contact me and I'll put you in touch with them or look them up themselves. They have a Facebook page and everything. So This big beast been somewhat challenging. I wanted to show you quickly my cloth from yesterday. This was up on top. Don't judge me, but maybe it wasn't on the cleanest surface. But she wanted every square inch, even the very top of the van. And this is what I started out with yesterday. So pretty stiff, pretty hard after 24 hours. This is the product. This is Dallas Paint Correction. You can go to dpcdetailing.com. This is the new TMR for Marine RV coating 9H. I've really enjoyed this. I used a autosaver half mitt on all the plastics. Did absolutely every, like I said, every square inch of this thing. I'm just coming down to the end. I just wanted to share with you, the kind of micro beading, the kind of, the rainbow effect, the sweating, if you will, a little bit, that will hit, that flash point. For me, in this air-conditioned building with low humidity, it was about 45 seconds, a minute, something like that. And anyway, just wanted to share with you. Thank you very much. Give me a thumbs up. Appreciate you all. Hit the bell. Bing! And I will catch you on the next side. Enjoy making your vehicles beautiful.